Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to fix PowerPoint not responding or opening in Windows. Firstly, if PowerPoint freezes or stops responding, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Microsoft PowerPoint. Right-click on it, then select End Task. Reopen it and check if it works properly. 2. Investigate add-ins causing problems. Open PowerPoint, then go to the File tab. Click Options on the bottom of the sidebar, then select Add-ins from the left menu. At the bottom, next to Manage, select COM Add-ins and then click Go. And check all add-ins, click OK, then restart PowerPoint. And finally, repair Microsoft Office. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the App list. Click the three dots next to it and select Modify. Choose Repair, then click Continue. This scan will fix any corrupted Office components. Just follow the prompts to restart your PC afterwards. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.